Hey guys, how's it going? How to check your saved drafts on Facebook. So, first of all, go ahead and open up the Facebook. Start creating a post, right? By tapping what's on your mind on the post option. If you have any drafts saved, you should see a drafts section that you can tap on. Select the drafts you want to edit or publish. Note, drafts are usually saved for posts and may vary based on updates to the Facebook app. So let's read on the comments of this video. I hope you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.